Okay, hello, Lydia.
Hi, Roy.
Okay, so today we are going to discussing about the our system, right? Meal plan generator.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our first time discussion about the task distribution. So let us introduce ourselves first. So my name is Go Kok Wei. So
And my
what
name
what's
is
your name? Hmm.
my my name is
Just
Tanija.
introduce yourself. Okay, so we are going to do the meal plan generator system. So now we are going to distribute the tasks
As
first. So okay, so after the phase two, we have do the several class based on the UML diagram. So this is the main CBB before we are going to do the other class like the food dot
what
hash and drink dot hash.
Green dot
So
H.
basically, the our our main our main function is based on the file operation dot CBB. So later, so Lija, can you handle this function?
Yeah. Okay.
Can you?
I can
Okay,
be the
so
driver of this
please.
function.
Okay, so maybe I can do the mail brand dot hash and mail brand dot cbb. Okay, so the rest what would you like to what would you like to take over
I think I would take
like mail brand mm,
yeah, the meal plan dot H, meal plan dot CPP. I can
and
handle the function inside, and maybe
okay
some and maybe help you with some
mm-hmm,
of the file operation function.
okay, so so the rest I can handle that like the with like the user dot data and user dot hash. So the week logs general drink and food is inside those file because we're using the inheritance relationship, right?
Yeah. The drink and the
Okay.
food should
So
inherit from the menu item, and the
yeah.
class I weight
So
loss general should inherit from the nutritionist.
for nutritionist and the analyze
Mhm.
function also inside, right?
And
Okay.
the others is mostly like aggregation, and there's only one composition.
Aggregation and composition. Okay. So anything you want to note me or you want me to take note?
Not really.
Okay, so let's stop our discussion first lah.
Okay.
Okay, see you.
Okay. So, uh,
Hello.
my name is Ija.
So okay, my name is Wei. So today we are going to do the file operation implementation
Uh,
file.
okay.
So let's take a look of the first function first, read user info. So I think like this function is like basically we read the first time user info, like their
Uh-huh.
username,
Yeah.
gender,
For
and their
for
password.
the login. Yeah.
Mm. So let me start to write the code first. If anything you know, I just ask you, okay? And what's your part, Nija?
Uh, you mean what should I take part in, or how?
Yeah. What you are going to write?
Okay. Okay. Then I think I'll just do the check cases and make directory function.
Okay, so let's start first lah. Anything you know, we can ask each other lah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So how do you want to start the read user info function?
Read user info function. Just now I say right. We must get the user text file. We might use the sorry. We might use the file operation. If string and off string to read the user info.
Uh-huh.
All right. So we can just use the get line. For the from the text file. Can you open the login info dot tot?
Uh-huh.
Open already?
Yeah.
Okay, so you could see that the first line is the username, right? Second is password,
Yeah.
and the third line is
The
gender.
gender.
So
Hmm.
okay, so I will going to use the get line for each set user name, set gender, and set password.
Okay.
Is
Okay.
that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about you?
For me, the check exists function, I think we I hope there's a function from the file operation that can check the existence of a path. And the make directory too. I hope there's a function that can achieve that.
Okay, so uh Do you know like which path you are going to use, or you need to search any info?
Uh, okay. I'm going to search how do you check the existence of
So
a file or
okay,
directory.
so in the same time, I do the read user info first lah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I just went to check Google and I find there's a function called exist. So
Function code exists.
yeah,
Okay.
let me show you how does it look like.
All right. So in
Stand
my part here, we use F-string object. We use F-string declaration to input the
to
info
open
from
the
the text
file.
file.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
to get the info from the file.
okay. So we use text file lah.
There's a function called this, so this can be used to check the existence of a file folder. Then this will be the parameter that it needs to check. So right now I have to get the path of standard file system and the current path of the directory
Okay.
and the remaining path. Let's save it in same variable file system. Uh, yeah,
Text file and the user line to get the username.
also standard file system. And then we're going to check this path. If this path exists, then we return false, showing that it exists, else we return true. Okay, what's wrong? Expected a semicolon. Oh, oh, it's right. Data right. If statement, yeah.
Okay, so after finish, we can see whether we got any error suggestion or what.
Mm,
Okay,
stat I. It's yeah. I spot an error from your
the user
standard iOS input string line, then get line.
document, the user.
Okay, just continue with the make directories. So let's
The out.
get the path system path or
Okay,
current path, then the folder name, and then we are going to check if the current directory exists. Okay.
okay. This line.
You forgot. Okay, okay. Okay, let's use a try and catch statement to do it to handle the error. Okay, so I'm going to check
Password 9.
if the
Speak out.
directory
Installing
is
password.
destroyed again, do it again. So if not standard file system dot exist
The
of
user get
code.
set gender. Okay.
Oh, of if it does not exist, we are going
E
to
out assigning gender.
get a directory with the path given,
Okay.
and then we create a file
Okay.
with the full path. Then we're going to patch the error.
Okay.
Patches
So
this.
for the read user info, just now I just get the user info by using getLine function for each line, and also after the end of the file, I close the file and move to the next function. The next function is check access. So check access function is used to check whether the path of the user path of the user file is accessed or not. We can use this access built-in function of the file system to check whether the user login info is accessed. If not, will return false. If true, then return true lah. So these are you writing the make the check?
Yeah, I'm going to handle the error like if the the part if the part is
Mm.
not exist, so we are going to create a directory for them, and maybe user
Mm.
type the directory name again. Probably they exist before, and
Oh,
then
yeah,
they
yeah,
want
yeah.
to create yeah. So we have to catch this error to prevent
Okay.
the program being crashed. So catch the error, then write something. File
Why here I'm
error
still
creating the what?
okay. Never mind, never mind. Okay.
And then we can
Done
show the error
already.
to the main function, the integer main. I
Okay.
think that's it. That's it for the
Yes,
main
yeah.
directory function.
So basically this one is for operation lah. So next, we are going to do the mail plan lah. So
Okay.
okay.
Uh,
Mm. So before let's try our compile the program first.
I just finished this login, right?
Yes.
Let's try to compile it. Okay. Okay, let's try to
Okay.
log in.
Mm.
Then have this username.
BOB.
Oh, okay. There's
Oh,
an error.
can why cannot compile ah?
It
You say
said
what?
out of range. Okay, okay.
Uh,
Let's first
mm.
check if the path is exists.
Okay.
Okay, if the
Uh,
files.
use the check
Okay.
access function to check whether the file exists or not.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Path,
Have and
path
if If found
user not
see
found.
out user not found, please try again
Okay.
and return false.
Oh,
Return false.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let's try again.
Okay.
Okay. Login first.
Huh? Oh, I forgot to save it. So let's try
Okay.
again.
To check whether access the file is in the directory or not.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Wow. It's still standard out of range.
Still standard out of rank. Oh yeah, this
Bar
one is not. This one is file is not exist. You
does not.
see,
Oh, yeah. I
yeah, yeah,
forgot
yeah.
of that.
File does not exist. Oh, in outside the outside. Wait. Don't say first. Don't say first. Outside the and then one more bracket for the okay
Oh, okay.
like this.
Uh, okay. Your bar is
Okay.
Chinese version, so it cannot work.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
What? Wait, stop. You have to change your language to English.
I changed already. Let me try.
Huh?
1 2 1 2. You less one like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Now you
let's
run.
run again. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Say,
user not found.
oh, user not found.
User not found.
The
So
program cannot find the
our
path.
yeah the our path maybe enter wrongly. So
Okay.
you just cancel the you 你讲
Okay, the
呃
path should be looks like this. Oh,
yeah
so you know there's a txt here.
we miss the TSD. We miss
Oh,
the
okay.
TSD. So I just add dot TST, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, let's try again. Oops. Oh, okay, let's run. Okay, it's found the user,
Yeah,
and then we put in the
success
password.
already.
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, done already.
Okay, so right now we
Okay,
complete the weight loss for the game weight, so we can paste the same content inside. Yeah,
okay.
so we just have to change this to general because the logic is almost the same. Just the min and max value we have to change. So
Yeah,
what is the value you just find for the general, the calorie?
total calorie you mean?
Yeah, the min and max.
Minimum is for the general is 2,200.
2,200. And the max? Maximum?
Yes. And the maximum is 3,000
Oh, 3,000
for meal lah, for
for
meal.
meal.
And
Okay.
yeah, yeah, here, for meal. I just
Uh-huh.
explained. Okay, this one is
What about the
okay.
female?
Female is 1,800 for minimum and
Good.
2,400 for maximum. Okay,
Okay.
all right. So let me check any error first.
Let's first check the
Okay,
main
done.
and .cpp. So we have
Okay,
included
so
all the important files. Then,
mm,
so the first we are going to go through, we're going to register. So the register is inside the meal planner function. And
okay,
let's search for the register. Okay, so register, welcome, sign up or login. And when they are login or sign up success, they
yes.
return back to the main CPP, returning back to main CPP, and then it will go
Mm-hmm.
to the main interface.
Main
So user
interface.
interface still inside the new panel. Let's search for that. Okay, inside the main interface we have the
Five
first
option.
choice,
So
create new pane. Can you help me to check for the
mm-hmm.
option 3, 4 for the main interface,
Uh-huh. Check for what?
the function?
Check for their far location or what?
Check the
You mean
function. It
their
says an
source code
errors.
location?
Yeah,
Or you mean check any error of them? Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
I'm going to check for the create new pane and modify function.
okay. The rest I take over.
Oops.
Okay, so
Okay, already. Okay.
basically all function does not appear any error. Okay,
Okay, mine as well. Seems like there's not much error.
okay.
So
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 let's
should we
try to
just
debug. Let's try to debug.
to run it, you mean? So should we try to compile it?
Okay,
Okay, let's wait for it to compile. Okay, I will run it on the share terminal. So can you see?
okay. Yes.
Okay, let's try with the login. Let's try to type a random username. The user not found. So that's sorry for the mistake. It's wrong again. Code just disconnected.
Okay, sorry. So we continue to debug first.
Okay. Okay, I will run this on the share terminal. So
Okay,
we both can see. Okay, so let's choose login and then we type a random name that doesn't exist. Okay. So it said we have to register again. It's successful. Uh okay, so let's type a login again. Then this time we enter wrong password. Okay, it's handling correctly. Okay, there's no error.
okay. No error. Okay,
Okay, okay. Right now we enter the correct
mm-hmm.
username and password, so we can build the existing plan of these users. Like the plan, maybe we choose one.
Let's try
Then we
any
can
of these and
now we can see day one,
successful display
day
the
two.
detail, right?
Yeah, maybe like the
Okay,
money saving week. Yeah, every day is working correctly.
okay. Let's move to the next part first.
Huh?
we try randomly the view modify view existing brand. Let's try first.
The real existing plan.
Yes. You just press any number. Or you want to try the error handling, just press the wrong number. You can try again. Okay,
You want to try?
successful.
Modify.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, modify.
Okay, let's rename
If
the
I
plan.
choose mm,
Okay, let's try. Okay, what do you want to change?
thanks to Hello Kitty.
Which one I want to change? Like max. Okay, let's
First
choose
one, first one.
this. The first one. Okay, let's change to
Ah,
Hello Kitty. Okay,
okay,
the yeah,
okay,
successfully renamed. Let's check it.
okay.
It's
We check by using the second remove day. You check by
okay.
we just enter remove
Oh
day
yeah,
and
it's
check. Yeah, Hello
successfully.
Kitty changed already.
Okay,
So we enter
let's
one. Okay. You want to delete? The second one. Okay.
okay.
Enter. We check it.
Yeah,
We enter Hello Kitty.
yeah. So there's only one day
Okay.
file. So
Yeah.
the previous
So
Tuesday.txt is being removed. Yeah, it's
it's
working
not
correctly.
existing already.
Let's
Yes.
add it back. Budget 40,000. Okay. Remember to modify it. Okay. Let's
Mm-hmm.
modify the 16 plan of the Hello Kitty Tuesday. So let's shuffle it. Okay. So
Okay.
let's continue and we shuffle again because we don't have this day. This day is newly made, so there's nothing inside.
Mm.
Hmm. So let's shuffle again. I'm satisfied. Okay, we have the body thing, add fried rice and banquet.
Yeah.
Okay,
If we
now we are
certify, we
done.
just enter continue.
We are
We
done
enter exit.
modifying, then we
Uh.
exist, and then we view the existing plan
Okay.
again. The Hello Kitty. Day two, we have party drink at the dinner. Yes, it's currently written
Mm.
inside the file. Okay, so
Yeah. Executed successful.
let's ask the nutritionist to analyze. Oh,
So
so
if the
the
calorie is
plan,
not enough,
yeah, but it's working correctly.
uh, mm. So we continue. Try just the last one. The lost weight. Can you enter the
You,
analyze brand?
uh-huh.
Okay. Enter Hello
You want to
Kitty.
try the dot three
Okay.
again?
Yeah. Yeah. I try the lost weight.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's good
All
for
right.
losing weight.
It's good for losing weight. Okay, so now we're finishing our code already, and we
Uh-huh.
just now, we
Oh,
compiled
finally, yeah.
successfully, right? Yeah, finally done already. So, Ija, what's your feeling and your own reflection about this project?
Um,
About the code, about the code.
okay. Uh, when
Mm,
developing this whole project,
mm,
I find my weakness, which I don't practice enough,
mm,
and then causing a lot of problems, such as designing the structure of the code and pointer
mm.
related debugging issues. My lack
Okay.
of logical
Mm,
thinking and practice causing mild mistake, and it took me a lot of hours to fix it. Thanks to the project,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I done a lot about the topic, such as the fast system, and then the
Mm,
pointers and more. And I plan to improve more in the future.
okay. So,
Okay, what about you, Corey?
for my okay, so for my own different on my own feeling so I think that the project is like we have to do this code for too long time. Like I think it's a maybe it was a challenge just for us now, but it's a very important experience for us to understand that our knowledge and our problem handling is skill is not enough. And I can just tell the some challenges we have faced before lah, just like the fast system management. This one we didn't learn before, right?
Yeah,
Lisa?
it just is
So
a
this
new thing for us.
different, yeah, different the new thing for us. So actually our system the main challenge of course this is of course included fast system management. So Lisa, now you know how to use it already, right?
Yeah,
You are proficient in this, right? Okay, so maybe in future we can use a database or GUI integration, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but for now we use the command prompt only, terminal.
Yeah, there's
Maybe in
CLI
future,
only.
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So
so
that's
thank
all.
you.
My thank you.